your account is already registered to another phone in GCash fix. Now the error message, your account is already registered to another phone in GCash, typically means that your GCash account is still linked to a previous device or phone number, and here are several ways to fix the issue. First is to unregister old device. If you still have access to the phone, open GCash, go to Profile, Settings, Account Security, and unregister the phone. If you don't have access to the old phone, you can proceed to the next steps. So for account recovery, you can use a phone number that is not registered to another GCash account. You can go through the account recovery process within the GCash application, and you'll need to provide some information to verify your identity. And these are simply some of the ways on how you can recover your GCash and actually unregister from old device. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.